Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever and wherever you are. My name is Anna Rochelle, and today we are going to take a look at this problem that apparently stumped the classroom teacher. I literally just typed the problem out from a message the parent sent to me, and we are just going to go straight through it, see what we can do, and see if we can make heads or tails of this. So Anna, obviously I've changed the name, decided to make some more orange flavored desserts. I wonder if this is like a multi-step problem. So maybe the previous problem, she was making other orange flavored desserts. And so she had to go and pick more oranges. Okay, so she used 1/6 of a gallon less juice to make popsicles and candy. So she's making some popsicles. And she's making candy. And she's using more juice for the candy. Okay, so she's using 1/6 more for the candy. Okay, she used 1/3 gallons more juice to make candy than sorbet. Okay, maybe we should do, instead of more, maybe let's stick with the 1/6 less. 1/6 less than the candy. Then she's also making sorbet. So in comparison, she's using 1/3 gallons more. And it seems like everything is all gallons, right? Yeah. To make candy, okay, then to make sorbet. And then she used 1/2 gallon of juice to make the popsicles. So, okay, so we know that popsicles are 1/2 gallon. We know that, so how much did she, okay, so really the question is this. So I would say making a table or something. Oh, okay, so it says diagram, numbers, and words. So a diagram could be some form of table. So we can definitely use that. We can also use some sort of diagram with like fraction bars. I think this is an elementary school problem. So my thought process is you can definitely use fraction bars, because I think fraction bars are really big in elementary school when it comes to fractions and showing your work. So okay, so a popsicle is 1/2 gallon. Popsicles are 1/6 less than candy, which means if I take my 1/2 gallon and I add 1/6 of a gallon to it, I will end up with how much candy I have. And then if I add 1/3 to that amount, I will end up with the sorbet that I have. So more than likely, I can simply say 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/3. Oh, hold on. She used 1/3 more. Okay. So just kidding. Since it's more, we're not going to add, we're going to subtract that 1/3. So that's the math that we're going to try to do. In order to show the diagram, I'm going to show this is a 1/2 gallon. Actually, I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to make like these kind of like little marks to show that this is like that. Okay. So this is my 1/2 gallon for popsicles, right? This is also 1/2. We are going to then add to this 1/2 1/6. So we're going to do that. Just this 1/6, right? And then from the total that we end up having, which will likely be 4/6, right? Because we can tell that this is 1/2, so that's the same exact piece, right? So we're just going to add that 1/6. So this 1/2 and this 1/2 is the same. So this is going to be 4/6. And that could be your diagram for that. And then when we do 4 out of 6 minus 1 out of 3, we're then really gonna have to go ahead and change this, make common denominators. Either we can turn this guy into 2/3 and subtract 1/3 from that, or we can turn this guy into 3/6, 2/6, and still end up with the same 2 out of 6, which is the same thing as 1/3. And then this is also the same thing as 1/3. This doesn't matter. I think it's just a matter of preference, you know? So you should end up with 1/3 of a gallon of juice for sorbet. Hope that this was helpful. I will see you in another video. And if you have a question that stumped you, please send it to me so I can make a video to help you figure it out. Bye.